Hello everyone, I'm Tom and this is Tom's Money Magic. Today I'll be talking about making SMART goals as a follow-up to my last vlog on how making goals can help you. So if you haven't seen that one, I'll leave a link to it in the description. You can use SMART goals to achieve things that you want to do in an organised fashion. I'm talking about making goals for finance reasons, but you can also use this as a way of making goals to help you get something out of being at home twice as much as normal because of the recent coronavirus. Let's say you've always wanted to play the piano. Because you have more time at home, you should now be able to learn it. There are 5 parts of SMART goals. S for specific. You don't want to just say, I want to play the piano. You have to say, I want to be able to play this song. M for measurable. You want to be able to measure your progress of getting to your desired final product. A for achievable. Is it something you feel like you will not give up on even if it gets hard to do? R for realistic. Similar to achievable, do you think you will actually be able to reach this goal at this age and circumstances? These may be things that are happening in your household, community, or in just the world. And finally, T for time. Make a realistic choice of whether you are going to be able to achieve this goal in a certain time period that you choose for yourself. Think about all of the things that could change your circumstances to allow more time or less time, or make it easier or harder. An example of a SMART goal in a financial point of view would be, I want to invest/save $400 this year. You can change the goal up or down depending on how much pocket money and birthday/Christmas money you get in the year. But the main idea is that it would fit into all of the categories. 1. It is definitely specific. As you have said an exact amount that you want to save/invest, it would fit into that category. 2. It is also measurable, because every time you put some money in your savings account or something like that, you can keep an exact tally of how much you've done. 3. Depending on what amount you choose, you will be able to make sure it's achievable, because otherwise you might not feel like you'll be able to fulfill that goal. I can't tell you whether it will be achievable or not, as I don't know what pocket money etc. you get per year, but you have to make sure it's achievable for yourself. 4. Realistic. Like I said before, it's pretty close to achievable, so I can't tell you whether it will be able to fit that category or not, as I don't have the same information as you. And 5. It is time-based. As it has the goal of being done by the end of the year, it fits into that category as well. Thank you for listening. Check out my website if you haven't already. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, please do that below or in the contact us page on my website. Thank you. See you.